Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes install macOS Sierra 10.12 on VMware Workstation in Windows. Browse the download location of VMware Unlocker. Right-click Run as Administrator. Now open VMware Workstation 14. Now open VMware Workstation 14. Click Custom, Next. Click I will install later. Click Apple macOS X. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Memory changed to 4 grams B. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Use an existing virtual disk. Browse the downloaded macOS High Sierra VMDK file. Click Keep Existing Format. Click Finish. Edit Configuration File. Configuration file is stored on this location. Browse Configuration File location. Right-click .vmx file. Edit with Notepad or Notepad++. Insert SMC version equal to. Opening quotes 0 closing quotes. Save and exit. Now run your macOS virtual machine. Select your region. Create username and password for your PC. Click VM, Removable Device, CD Drive. Settings. Click Use ISO Image File. Browse vmtool.iso. Click OK. Double-click VMTools icons. Click Install VMware Tools. Click Continue. Click Continue. click Install. Give admin username and password to install VMware tools. VMware tools installed successfully. Restart your system. macOS installed and displayed full screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.